Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Karina and today I'm going to be doing two unboxings, and they are both wellness for the household products. They are recurring things, but they're both customizable, so I chose all of the products that are in here, but they are monthly subscription kinds of boxes. And that is going to be my Grove box and my Young Living box. So I'm going to start with my Grove box first because it is the biggest box, and ooh, it's kind of heavy. There it is. So I'm going to put this down and pull the products out of it to show you what it is that I bought. So if you don't know what Grove is an online store that has natural household and personal care products, and it's delivered to you on a monthly basis. And so you go through the store, you put what you want in your cart, and then it's delivered to you. And so that's what I'm going to be showing you right now. Right now I'm trying out their VIP program, which is, I believe, $19.99 a year, but right now I'm on their like 90-day free trial. And so VIP gets you free shipping as well as free products if you meet certain dollar amounts. So I do have a couple of free products in this box, but let me go ahead and just dive into what I have. The first thing that I had picked out was the bathroom cleaning bundle, and keep a lookout for the bundles because they're usually discounted versus if you were to buy each of the products individually. And so the bathroom cleaning bundle came with the Method Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner, the Method Anti-Bac toilet cleaner, and I have tried this one before and I do like it. It smells like spearmint. And then it came with 3 of these 2-pack of the Grove brand seedlings paper towels, and these are nice because they are a bamboo and sugar cane, and so it comes with 1, 2, and 3 of those. Next, I picked up this Schmidt's Activated Charcoal Multi-Pack Essential Set, and I picked this up because I am having a hard time finding the charcoal and magnesium deodorant. The few times that I have found it in stores, it's more than double what I used to pay for it, so I don't know what's going on there, but I figured for $10 you get the toothpaste, the deodorant, and the bar soap. It was a pretty good deal, so I picked that up, and I am thinking about getting more just because I do think that's such a good deal. Okay, I've got a couple more items that I purchased myself, and that is the room spray bottle and the room spray in Winter Woods. And so this is a concentrate that you put into their glass bottle, and I really like these glass bottles. I actually got one free with the first box that I ordered through them. And these are just a really nice spray bottle, so I really just got it for that. But yeah, it comes with the concentrate. I think you can buy each of these individually, so if you get the set and then later want to keep buying the concentrate, you can do that. But yes, you pour it in, top it off with water, and then you have the scented room spray. But yes, these bottles are really nice. I really like the trigger on those. And then I got another one of these scrub brushes because I was using the other one for bathroom cleaning just because it does a really good job at that. So I got another one to keep at the kitchen sink, and these are the removable head dish brushes. And so you can buy the replacement heads and just keep reusing the hand so that there is less waste going into the landfills. And because I was using the other one in the bathroom so much, I went ahead and got the tub handle, what do they call it? The tub handler, which is this shape here, and then you have different heads that you can slide onto it. Like this one too, you can buy different scrubber heads to go on that. I just like the brush head. And then I picked up the deep cleaner head to go on that, so that I have that for scrubbing the tub and tile. So yes, I can stop using the other one for the bathroom and use this one now. And again, less waste because you just keep this and then replace the heads as they wear down. And that leaves me with just the free items that came with the order, and that was the Grove Collaborative Mint and Argan Lip Balm with Hydrating Chia Seed Oil. and it just comes in this paper packaging, which I appreciate. There is no plastic. The tube itself is plastic. I don't know if that'll focus, but that's what the tube looks like. And it's a tiny, tiny little tube, but it was nice to get free and to try out some of the Grove Collaborative personal care products, because I haven't tried any of those yet. And then the other thing that I got for free was the Grove Collaborative glass straws. So I only have one glass straw. I don't really ever use straws. I normally just drink straight from a glass. But I do have the one glass straw, but it's like really short, so I can't use it with tall cups. And this one is a pack of 4, and it comes with the cleaner, and they are, I don't know if you can see that without me taking it out, but they are the bent kind. So it'll be nice to have these around. My kiddo, he likes to drink things with straws sometimes, so it'll just be nice to have on hand, and it was free. And I do want to point out again, like even this packaging, there's no plastic. This is all cardboard, so I can recycle that. Easy My City has a really good recycling program, and even this is all recyclable. And then the product itself is plastic free, and you know, will last a lot longer than regular straws. So that is everything from Grove Collaborative. So now I'm going to dive into what I bought from Young Living this month. So Young Living, if you don't already know, is an essential oils company, and you can purchase through them a couple of different ways. If you become a member, which you do by buying a starter kit, then you get the wholesale pricing. But then beyond that, there's 2 ways to order wholesale pricing. Sorry, tripping over my words. They have the quick order, which is just an order that you place whenever you want, and then they get it ready and ship it to you. And then the other one is through Essential Rewards, and that is the monthly order that I order through them with. And you get a little bit of a discount on shipping. I did sign up for the Young Living Go shipping, and so it's even cheaper than if you were to just keep paying the discounted shipping throughout the course of a year, because I'm just getting started with essential oils, and so I'm trying to build up my collection, and I'm finding I'm going through them pretty quick because I really enjoy running my diffuser. I have roll-ons. I've got like a Thieves roll-on sitting right there that I roll on multiple times a day. And I use the lemon in my water every morning, and I'm using them a lot. So there are some things that I'm having to repurchase, but I'm also building up my collection. So now that all of that is out of the way, here is my little box. And so that's it. And this month I ordered 3 oils. This is my second ER order, and the last one I used to get like a ton of Christmas spirit and to replace my Thieves bottle, because I had already used everything that came in the premium starter kit that I got. So this month I am replacing another oil that I ran out of in my premium starter kit, and that is the peppermint. And I love peppermint so much. I like to smell it. I like to diffuse Stress Away and peppermint all day long. I like my house to smell like a candy cane, and that makes it smell like a candy cane. And when I'm not diffusing that, I'm diffusing Thieves. So basically it always smells like Christmas in here, but I went through the bottle that came with the starter kit, and it's not that I was using it a lot. I used a lot of my oils when I made Christmas gifts for everyone, so that too. But I'm rambling, my apologies. The next oil that I picked out was cedarwood, because cedarwood, and again, I don't think that'll, it's trying to focus. It's a scent that I really enjoy in products, but I'm trying to avoid a lot of fragrance infused products. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but fragrance makes me break out, and I have trouble with, like my throat will get itchy, my nose will start running when I'm around fragrance products. So I figured I would try the essential oil out. Oh, that is interesting. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think that smells good, but it doesn't smell like the cedarwood that I'm used to smelling in fragranced products. So I am going to have to play around with that one and see if I like it diffused or in products, or if I prefer using it for beauty purposes. So yeah, moving on. The third oil that I got was cypress, and I picked out cypress because I like pine, I like woodsy scents, I like musky scents, hence the cedar wood. So just to kind of mix up what it is that I am diffusing, I picked up the cypress. I feel like I can already smell it through the bottle. You know, that kind of like piney, evergreen kind of smell? I can faintly smell it through the bottle, but that is the cypress. And the reason I picked the cypress versus like one of the blue northern spruce or whatever it is that's really popular, because this one's a lot cheaper. And so basically my goal is to hit the minimum around $50-ish. Well, I guess like between 50 and 60, because it has to be at least $50 for the ER. That one's interesting too. It smells piney, but there's also kind of a wood kind of scent to it as well. It doesn't smell like just needle, like pine needles. It smells like it's more than just that. So got that. So as I was saying, I'm aiming to make my monthly orders between $50 and $60. And so this order here was $50 and change. I think it was like $53, maybe $53, I think, for these three. They're all the 15 milliliter bottles. So good. Anyways, so I'm hoping to make it a whole year so I can get the bonus oils, because I've sat down, I love numbers, I love math, and so I sat down, I put down what I wanted to order each month, including things that I thought that I was going to run out of regularly, and so replenishing those and hitting the 3, 6, 9, 12 months, the bonus oils that you get with it, and kind of how it compares to some competitors' pricing. And so I'm trying to make it through the whole year and see how it goes, get my ER points after the year, because you do get 10% back the first 3 months and then 20% back until you hit, I think, 2 years or something like that. And so I kind of just, I want to make it through and see how it goes. So that is it for my monthly household wellness haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. I would love to chat with you, and I'll keep you posted probably in my Instagram story. So if you're not yet watching my Instagram stories, make sure you are. I promise I don't bombard you with too much boring content there. So yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me today. I really appreciate it, and please consider subscribing, and please like the video or dislike the video. I hear it doesn't matter which one you do. And yes, I will be back very soon to chat with you again. Bye!